Now let us solve the textbook exercise of chapter number 12, doing words. A says, write the doing words in the box under the correct pictures. You can see some pictures are given here, and in each picture there is some action. Okay, so now you have to see the action and select the correct word for this particular action. Now you can see first word is read, brush, wake, drink, eat, play, sleep, talk, run. Now you can just see the first picture. What this boy is doing? He is drinking water. So correct word for this picture is D-R-I-N-K, drink, this word. So we have to write the word here. Now see the second picture. What this boy is doing? He is playing. Correct. He is playing badminton. So you can see the correct word for this is play. So we have to write play here. Third picture, the girl is reading the book. So correct word for this picture is R-E-A-D, read. We have to write it here. Read. So now let us turn the page. Now in fourth picture, this girl is waking up in the morning. Fifth picture, the girl and boy are talking. And sixth picture, the boy is brushing. Now let us choose the correct word for these pictures. So for the girl who is waking up, the correct word will be wake. The girl and the boy who are talking, the correct word will be talk. And the boy who is brushing, the correct word will be brush. So let us write the words. So here it will be wake, here it will be talk, and here it will be brush. After that, seventh picture, the boy is running. So the correct word here will be run. The boy is sleeping. So sleep. And the girl is eating. So here it will be eat. So let us choose the correct words from the given words. So you can see here, the words are run is there, then sleeping. So sleep is there, and eating, eat is there. So let us write the word for the pictures. So it is run, sleep, and E-A-T, eat. Now let us move on to exercise B. Here you have to read this particular paragraph and you have to circle the doing words in this. So this paragraph is of poem. Okay. So read this poem and underline or circle the doing words. So let us read the poem. Raise your hands above your head. Clap them 1, 2, 3. Press them now upon your hips. Slowly bend your knees up again and stand up tall. Put your right foot out. Shake your fingers. Nod your head and jump about. So let us take the first line. Raise your hands above your head. So what this line says, you have to lift your hands or raise your hands. So what is the action word here? The action word is raise. So you have to circle this. Clap them 1, 2, 3. Now again clapping. So clap is the action word. So we have to circle this. Rest them now upon your hips. So resting your hands on the hip. Resting. So rest is the action word. Slowly bend your knees. So what you have to do now? You have to bend. So bending is again the action word. Some action is going on. Up again and stand up tall. So again standing is an action word. So you have to circle it. Put your right foot out. So putting is an action word. Shake your fingers. Again in this shaking, moving your fingers is action word. Nod your head. Nodding means moving up and down, or this is the action word. And jump about. Again jumping is a action word. So you have to circle these action words. Now let us move on to exercise C. Now as you all know, when we are talking about one person, one animal or one thing, like the dog means one, the peacock one it is a baker, a lion. All these things are one, single. So we should always use s or es to the doing words. Okay. Now you can see chews, bakes, dances, boils, roars, barks, rides. So these are all the action words we are referring with only one thing or one person or one animal. So now let us talk about the first sentence. The dog. What you can see what the dog is doing? The dog barks at strangers. So you can see already barks word is here. So we have to choose the correct action word. So first one is barks. What this peacock is doing? The peacock is dancing. So the peacock dash in the rain. So correct word, doing word here will be dances. So we have to write dances here. What the baker does? The baker bakes. So the correct word is bakes here. The baker bakes bread. A lion dash loudly. What the lion is doing? He is roaring. So the correct word here will be roars. A lion roars loudly. A cow dash its food slowly. What usually the cow does? The cow chews. Chewing is chabana. A cow chews its food slowly. The correct word here will be chews, chews. A cow chews its food slowly. Then next one. My mother dashed the milk in the morning. So what the milk, you can see the milk is being boiled here. Correct. So boiling the milk, the correct word for this is my mother boils the milk in the morning. So the correct word here should be boils. So let us write it. And what the Hina is doing, this girl is doing, she is riding. Hina is riding bicycle. Hina dash a bicycle. So the correct word should be rides. Let us see whether it is there. So the word is rides, rides. Hina rides a bicycle. Now let us move on to next exercise, that is D. Write the correct doing words. Now here two words are given, one with S or ES and one without S. Now as I have already told you that when we are using I, we, you and they, we should never use S or ES. And if we are using only one thing, a singular animal or one person or one thing, if we are talking about a single thing, then we should always use S or ES. We should never use it for I, we, you and they. Now see the first sentence. The king dash in a palace. Now the king is only one person. So what we should use here? Lives. That is Lives. You have to write it here. Now you can see the second sentence. The king and queen. Now here two people are there. So it is more than one. So what we should use? R-U-L-E, rule. The king and queen rule the kingdom together. So it is more than one we are talking about, then it should be R-U-L-E, rule. We should never use S for that. The holidays dash next week. Now holidays means many, more than one. So what we should use here? S-T-A-R-T, start. S should not be added. So the holidays start next week. Then I dash in Mumbai. So for I also we should never use S for the word. So it will be live. I live in Mumbai. My uncle. Now again uncle is a single thing. So it will be single person. So it will be lives. My uncle lives in Chennai. I live in Mumbai. My uncle lives in Chennai. Now see the next one. Tanima and Saima dash for a walk every day. Tanima and Saima, two people are there, more than one. That means we cannot add E or ES or S. So this will be Tanima and Saima go for a walk every day. Next one. The girl dash clothes in the morning. Girl, a single person, washes will come. Next one, my brother dash the piano. Again brother, single person, so S will come. Plays. And the last one, this will be my brother plays the piano. And the last one, Lena dash cartoons on Sunday. Now Lena, a single person, so watches will come. So the sentence will be Lena watches cartoons on Sunday. So that's all about this exercise.